I-NPA ithi incwadi efungelwe eyanikwa uMatlala emayelana nesivumelwano sokusebenzisana nombuso ngeke isasetshenziswa ekushushiseni kwakhe. Njengoba lo somabhizinisi esehoxe ekubeni ufakazi wombuso, uphiko oluphenya ngamacala enkohlakalo i-IDEC luzoqhubeka necala kanye nokuqoqa obunye obufakazi ngaphambi kokuba vele enkantolo kanye nabanye asolwa nabo kuleli cala mhla ziyishumi kuMandulo.
We really have to accept what the court has indicated. Obviously, it was not within our control as we had agreed, and then there was a change of sentence, and they had the right, obviously, in terms of the law. Now the plea has been deemed to be null and void. Nothing that was in that plea can be used.
Kusenjalo inkantolo yesifunda eBoksburg ilihlehlisela umhlazi ngama-29 kuNcwaba icala lenkohlakalo ukukhwabanisa nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho elibhekene nephinye elimisiwe lenhloko yamaphoyisa e-EMPD uJulius Mkhwanazi kanye nesikhulu somkhandlu udolobha waseGloreni uKagiso Lerutla. Lokhu kuza njengoba ithimba labameli babasolwa lilindele umbuso ukuba ubanike imiqulu enemininingwane yobufakazi esasele. Leli cala lisuselwe esigamekweni esenzeka ngo-2019 lapho uLerutla waboshelwa icala lokushayela ngesivinini esiphezulu. Umbuso usola ukuthi uLerutla wakhokhela uMkhwanazi imali engu-40,000 wamarandi ukuze agweme ukuvela enkantolo. Ummeli kaLerutla uthi akeneme ngokubambezeleka kwecala.
We are utterly disappointed with regard to the state attitude towards our request for further particulars. Mind you, remember in the previous sitting, they indicated that all what they need is 2 days to reply to our request for further particulars. Until to date, they are still not happy.
Bobabili abasola bangaphandle ngebheyili yezinkulungwane ezingamashumi amathathu zamarandi umuntu ngamunye.